Good morning, everyone. Mayuresh Joshi, Head of Research at MarketSmith India. From today, we are going to come with this series every Monday around the same time, which will take a snapshot out of our weekly report. And without any further ado, let me take you to the weekly report itself and what are we going to carry in that weekly report. Now, as you see, when you go onto the MarketSmith India site, if you go on the research tab and the reports tab, you will see the weekly report coming in. These reports get uploaded on Friday evening. And what we basically carry in the report is how the markets are expected to behave and a few stocks under consideration and a few news related to the stock market. So this time around, we are precisely doing the same. As you can see me scrolling through my screen, the market outlook, the reactions that global markets have given. We have put a learning article in terms of the learning behind CanSlim and how to probably ensure the system that we have put in place in markets with India to identify strong growth stocks work in your favor. Obviously, I think after that, what happened last week, I carried out a video in terms of the insurance in the 100% FDI insurance and the new amendments to the insurance bill. We've carried that report as well. We've carried from a more structural learnings perspective, 5 stocks which are coming close to pivots, which are matching CanSlim growth parameters, where rating, rankings, institutional holding as per CanSlim are looking extremely strong. And we cap it off in terms of idea spot list, in terms of what our filter lists probably do. Now, within the report, you can have a detailed look at the report later on onto our side. But within the stocks, this stock has probably come into our watch list as well. And this is precisely what I'm going to talk about over the next 1 to 2 minutes in terms of how the stock positioning is expected to take place. And this is the stock that has been carried in our weekly report. Now, a little bit about the fundamentals of Jindal Stainless. One of the leading stainless steel manufacturers in India. They have a capacity of 3 MTPA. They're scaling it up to 4.5 MTPA. Numbers have been fabulous so far. The entire year, last year, the revenues that they did, they should easily surpass that. They should cross 42,000 crores easily in terms of revenues for this fiscal year. The reported EBITDA per ton for the first half of this financial year has already crossed 21,000. And obviously, I think from a debt or leverage perspective, debt to equity stays at 0.2 times onto the balance sheet. The growth for stainless steel as an industry globally in India is expected to grow in excess of 8 to 9%, specifically in the Indian context, with consumption expected to grow from 4.3 to almost 7 MTPA over the next few years. The applications are diverse. Right from railways, autos, aviation to new age technologies, including new businesses like ethanol, nuclear plants, and therefore the end user applications are just going to increase multifold. And therefore, I think this is a very, very interesting story when it probably comes to how ratings and rankings are probably placed. So you can see the ratings here are pretty good. The rankings, the expectations in terms of return ratios remain extremely strong as well. Now, when it comes from a technical positioning perspective, this stock has been consolidating before this phase of consolidation, as you can see on my cursor for the last 8 weeks, where the pivot level is close to 825, 826 hours levels. But before that, it was consolidating for 48 weeks from that lower end of the range to the higher end of the range, which it couldn't surpass, which it did over the last few weeks. And therefore, I think even from a technical perspective, I think this stock is in a very good consolidation mode, stage 1 pattern as we call it, which is a very good pattern in terms of identifying and defining growth stocks. So I think this is just one example. I shared the example of Tata Consumer last week as well, which is also part and parcel of our weekly report. And therefore, I think the ideation of creating this every Monday will be to probably give you a brief on what our weekly report carries. For a more detailed perspective, you can visit that report right here at MarketSmithIndia.com. Please follow us and follow us at MarketSmithIndia.com as well for many more research updates. Thank you so much.